Good morning, boys and girls. So I know I said that we were going to move on from the Pigeon books, but I've decided that for the next 2 days we're going to read a couple of more Pigeon books because some of these are really funny and I think you're going to like them. So we're going to continue our author study with Mo Willems. This book, Words and Pictures, are by Mo Willems, and this book is called The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog, with special guest star, the Duckling. Ooh, a hot dog! Yummy, yummy, yummy! Ah, may I help you? Scoot, scoot, scoot. Is that a hot dog? Not a hot dog, my hot dog. Ah, I have a question. There's little Duckling. I've never had a hot dog before. What do they taste like? Well, they are a taste sensation. Each morsel is a joy, a celebration in a bun. If you've never experienced the splendor of a hot dog, you should really... Wait a second. This hot dog is mine. I found it. Of course, enjoy. Go ahead. Would you say that it tastes like chicken? Can you believe this guy? What? It just tastes like a hot dog, okay? Okay. So, it doesn't taste like chicken then? Oh, for Pete's sake! Hey, I'm a curious bird. That's it! It's my hot dog, right? Mine. This is unbelievable. Finders keepers is what I say.
Finders keepers?
I'm a curious bird. What do they taste like? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, right.
Blah, blah, blah.
I can't take it anymore. What am I supposed to do? I think I've got an idea. You know, you're pretty smart for a duckling. Needs mustard. Aw, look at what they did. So today, your job is going to be to write your book review. So I already put the author in, Mo Willems, and the title, The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. Again, you're going to rate this book. How many stars would you give it? 5 means you really loved it, and 1 means you didn't like it. I like this book because, so if you like it, you're going to write in your answer, why did you like it? And if you didn't like it, tell me why you didn't like it. If someone wanted to read the book, I would tell them, so what would you tell somebody? It is funny, it is boring, it is silly. Then you're going to work on... The pigeon found a hot dog. He topped it with, and you're going to write, what do you think the pigeon would top his hot dog with? So I'm going to write ketchup and mustard. I'm going to make this a little bit longer. And that's what he would put on his hot dog. And then you can either put on a topping on it if you can. And you can make it however you want. There's my ketchup. And then you can put mustard on it and you could color on it. So that's what the pigeon would top his hot dog with. And you can put whatever you want. If you put relish, mayonnaise, maybe you put pickles on yours, maybe you put, I don't know what else you put on a hot dog, but anything you put on it. So once you're done with your hot dog, then you're going to decide, we're going to make a pigeon class book. The pigeon finds A, and what would the pigeon find? He could find a donut. He could find a cheeseburger. He can find a shoe. He can find anything you decide. He can find a car. He can find glasses. He can find a mouse. Anything you can think of. So I'm going to write, he finds a donut. And then at the bottom, I'm going to write my name. And then you can draw your picture. So we'll draw a picture of our donut. And I'm using what I have available on here.
Hi, Mama.
So I'm going to have no color in there. And then you could color in your donut if you wanted to.
I'm playing with the dog. I'm playing with the
Okay. Then you could color it in, you could add sprinkles, whatever you wanted. If you can, write on here, that's great. And if you can't write on it, then you can draw it on a piece of paper and send a picture to your teacher. All right, boys and girls, I look forward to reading about your pigeon, what he finds. And if you have any questions or need any help, you can reach out to us on Dojo. You can reach out to us on our classroom stream, or you can text us. Have a great day.